It's millet 30. Every night it's millet 30 for Rocky and Zoe. Millet 30. Millet 30. Birdweed. Good stuff, hey Rocky? Yeah. Zoe and Rocky. Say congratulations, Carson, for passing your outfitter's exam for the state of Wyoming. We're proud of you. Right, girls? Yeah. Zoe, are you proud of Carson? You're proud of Carson for passing his test, aren't you? Yes, you are. Come on, Zoe, eat your meal. It's millet 30. Millet 30. Well, okay then. We'll watch Rocky eat her millet. Rocky. She's celebrating. Okay, Zoe. Do I have to back off? Did you guys get to go outside today? Get some sunshine? You did. You got to go out and get some sunshine. Yeah. Good job, Carson. All right. Zoe doesn't like being on cam, I guess. Bummer.